morning, everyone. It's Kinley, and I'm coming to you from Disney World with all the news you need to know for this week at Huntington Hills Church of God. If you are a guest, we are so glad that you are with us today. In your bulletin, you will find an information card. Please fill it out and either hand it to an usher or put it in the offering plate. It gives us the opportunity to get to know you better. The monthly Board of Church Ministries meeting is tomorrow at 7 p.m. in the cafe. All members are needed to be in attendance. The Courageous Men's Bible Study and the Brave Women's Bible Study will be here at 7 p.m. in the church. Childcare will be provided. Come be a part and study to show yourself approved. April 1st is the Friends and Family Day, dinner and egg hunt. Invitations to your guests will go out this week. All addresses will be received in the church office by tomorrow. We have 20,000 plastic eggs that need to be filled with candy. Please take some eggs, fill them, and return them to the church by Sunday, March 25th. See Medea Cameron or Kim Roberts for details. Please refer to the bulletin for information regarding the dinner on Palm Sunday. And thank you for your special support on this special day. I think that's it. So for these and other upcoming events, pick up a bulletin, and I'll see you next time on the happenings at HHCOG.